Japanese e-commerce giant Rakuten launches NFT marketplace. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have some really interesting news for you. The e-commerce giant Rakuten has launched its very own e-commerce marketplace. So what exactly are the features of this marketplace? What kind of NFTs are we going to get over there? Watch the whole video till the end to find out. Now let's start with what Rakuten actually is. So the K-drama and the anime fans have to be familiar with Rakuten Viki and TV Asahi. Well, both these platforms are owned by none other than Rakuten. It even owns the J-League and Daki Sound Co., a J-pop idol company. These are just some of the many companies and organizations that the giant holds. Now to add to all these, it is even launching an NFT marketplace to cash in the popularity that the crypto world is getting. Now, what are exactly the NFTs that it would be launching? According to the press release that the company had made, it will primarily issue NFT based on sports and entertainment. These are the two sectors that it leads in Japan and even has a very significant share in the global market. So the entertainment sector also includes NFTs based on music and anime. This is a huge advantage of the e-commerce giant because it already has carved its name in both sectors. However, the biggest thing is that it will also benefit from the ongoing anime and Asian pop rage that has taken the world by fire. The very first NFT that it launched was from the Ultraman anime. Then it also launched an iconic horse race themed NFT illustrated by Hiroshi Kurogane. This one is based on the manga Kurogane Hiroshi G1 Geitoshi. Not just that, you can expect the release of some really iconic anime scenes from the show featured in TV Asahi. So guys, prepare your e-wallet for some amazing anime NFTs. Are you an Under Beastie fans? Well, you might as well purchase the NFT trading card that would be available to you. It will also release some completely original and new artworks by art group like Art Powers, Japan Association. Not just that, there would be NFTs that will feature some characters from Tiger and Bunny too. Yes guys, the Bandai Namco picture anime. Now, these were all the entertainment ones. Some efforts are going to release the Japanese clothing brand Beamco's cultural NFTs, so you can buy some gorgeous kimonos or the fast fashion of Japan. Now, the additional plans also include NFTs from Upfront Group that will release NFTs related to music. Then the original anime project Estab. We know Estab is actually owned by Goro Taniguchi, but Rakuten had partially funded it, so there would be some really interesting visuals from it. Now, this was all about entertainment. Rakuten also owns some sport-related divisions and would most definitely launch NFTs. There are going to be NFTs on the J-League NFT Collections Players Anthem. Then there will be an NFT collections on just the J-League official. Now, this was the marketplace. The company is even going to open up an art gallery displaying NFTs. So these are going to include the original art pieces that will include digital artwork of every famous Orihara. Orihara is the image creator of the famous J-pop singer Ado. Now, most of these NFTs are yet to be released by the company. However, the company did an amazing job in creating a whole buzz among its consumers. Right now, all the anime, J-pop, and Japanese manga lovers are keeping an eye on the marketplace to get some really amazing NFTs based on their favorite stuff. The buzz that it has created in the market is really commendable. Moreover, it has taken amazing advantage of its positions in the entertainment and sports sector by issuing NFTs from the very famous and best artists and division it owns. The company's already high positions in the e-commerce sector has greatly helped the company carve out its niche in the market. The venture is bound to be successful. This is because all the NFTs are based on what Rakuten already specializes in and has a stronghold over. Moreover, it benefits from people's obsessions with its product from other ventures. So even if you don't listen to anime, you can always buy the NFT and trade it with someone who cannot live without it at a very high price. What's more, in the future, there will also be a feature where individuals can build their very own website to issue and trade NFTs. So this will include not just the anime and J-pop consumers, but even those who want to do some good trade. So that's it for today guys. What do you think of this venture? Will you buy any? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then turn the black thumb blue. Share it with all of your anime and crypto crazy friends. And smash the subscribe button and the notification bell icon to never miss out on any of our videos.